What if I told you that I know exactly how you feel? When I was young, I was 90% of the time active. I played sports with my dad. I trained gymnastics for 5 years and dance for 9 years. And even I joined the running club just for fun. And on top of that, I finished master degree in sport and physical education, which means 5 to 8 hours of movement every single day for years. Then I moved to another country and slowly everything started to change. At the first, I was still competing. I trained 6 times a week, sometimes twice a day as Hyrox competition demanded. But then business life took over. I began sitting more and moving less. From being that super active child, I dropped from 90% activity to maybe 50. My lower back began to arch, my shoulders got stiffed, and on top of that, my posture began to collapse. That one was the moment that I made promise to myself. No matter what, my health comes first. I stretched. I tried countless exercise, month after month, and nothing changed. Until I found that one exercise that completely changed my life. No more stiffnesses, no pain, and the best part, I have more energy and better focus. And even on top of everything, I finish my work faster than before. So, what is this exercise that changed everything for me? It's not just some fancy machine. It's not hours of complicated workouts. It's something simple yet so powerful. Hanging. Yes, just hanging from a bar. And before you think that it's so simple, let me explain why it works. When you hang, your spine then compresses, your shoulders open, your grip got more strength, and all those little postural muscles finally start doing their job again. For me, first few weeks felt uncomfortable. My grip was weak, my shoulders were tight, and little by little things changed. My lower back stopped screaming, my shoulders loosened up, and my posture started fixing itself. Now let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. I will first start with most basic hanging position, then I will guide you through several movements from beginning to advanced, that you can find that one that is best for you. Find a pull-up bar and place box in front of it. Hang from the bar with an overhead grip, shoulder wide or slightly wider. Put your heels on the box so your hips and knees are bent. Let your body hang passively. Repeat 5 to 8 breaths per set and repeat in 2 to 3 sets. Find a pull-up bar and grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder wide. Let your body relax and hang friendly under the bar. Allow your shoulders to elevate toward your ears. Keep your arms straight and head natural. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and then try to increase up to 2 minutes for men and 90 seconds for women. Repeat movement in 2 to 3 sets. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhead grip, hands shoulder wide apart. Hang from the bar with arms straight. Start in a passive hang position. Without bending your elbows, pull your shoulder blades down and slightly back. Your body will raise a few centimeters as your scapula moves. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds at the top, then slowly relax back to the passive hang. Repeat movement 8 to 10 times in 2 to 3 sets. Find a pull-up bar with enough space to swing. Grab the bar with both hands, shoulder wide or slightly wider. Start in a passive hang. Begin to shift your weight to one side. Let your body move gently to the left. As momentum carries you, let yourself swing across to the other side. Keep arms straight. The movement comes from your shoulders, ribs, and hips shifting side to side. Use your core and lats to control the swing. Start with 10 to 20 seconds of side-to-side swings, then rest and repeat in 2 to 3 sets. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhead grip, shoulder wide apart. Hang with arms straight in a passive or light active hang. Keep legs together and core tight. From the hanging position, shift your hips to one side as if you're trying to tap your hip toward your hand. Keep arms straight. The movement comes from your shoulders, ribs, and obliques shifting, not from bending elbows. Continue alternating side to side. Do 6 to 8 taps per side in 2 to 3 sets. When I look back now, it's crazy to think years of bad posture, endless searching, all this solved by simple exercise. Of course, it wasn't just one try. It took me consistency. It took me every single day showing up. Even it was from beginning just 30 seconds. Little by little, this movement rebuilt my body. My lower back stopped arching, my shoulders opened up, and my posture finally came back to life. And the truth is, if it works for me, it can work for you also. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. You don't need complicated routines. Just start with basic hanging, build from there, and trust the process. So, my challenge for you is this. From this moment, from right now, for next 30 days, add the hanging in your daily routine. Doesn't matter if it's just 30 seconds from beginning. Stick with it and just follow how your posture and your energy started to change. Because in the end of everything, having the good posture isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good in your body again. And if this helps you, share with someone who struggles with good posture. It may help them also. And if you want more simple but powerful exercise like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell, because that one is the only way that you can stay on the right track and get notification every single time when I post something new. Take care of your health, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!